In Australia, we don't say sausages. We say.
Snags.
In Australia, we don't say tomato. We say.
Tomato.
So does that mean that potato is potato?
No, it's potato.
Huh? Potato, tomato, tomato. In Australia, we don't say chocolates. We say
Chockies.
Talkies. In Australia, we don't say candies. We say,
Lollies.
hey, can you get me junk food, please?
You mean chips?
Huh? Darling, can you get me a tuna, please?
You mean tuna?
Tuna? Not tuna.
Tuna.
In Australia, we don't say French fries.
We say chips.
Chips for French fries and chips for junk food?
Yeah, all chips.
Oh. In Australia, we don't say biscuits. We say
Vickies.
Vickies. In Australia, we don't say chicken. We say
You mean chook?